un peu plus sucré, un peu plus salé. Non, moi je préfère plutôt quand c'est pimenté, un peu plus grand, un peu plus court. Non, moi je préfère plutôt y aller à pied, un peu plus clair, un peu moins cher. Non, moi je préfère la montagne à la mer, un peu plus blanc, un peu plus noir. Non, moi je préfère les gens qui osent y croire. Ils me demandaient sans arrêt quel est le bon chemin.
Well, as you can see, I'm just about to leave Sault, on my way to the Gorges de Nesque, which should be a nice canyon not too far from here. I don't think I've ever been. Obviously, I've been to the sort of close by Mont Ventoux. It's only 20k away. I don't think I will be climbing that this little holiday because I've already done it once, and that's good enough for me. So yeah, I think I'll just make this short descent and then hopefully hit some tarmac before descending into the Gorges de Nesque. See you there.
J'aime bien être seul et j'aime aussi la foule. Un peu plus de temps, un peu moins longtemps. Moi j'aime qu'on me laisse faire et pas qu'on me saoule. Un peu plus gai, un peu plus triste.
Imagine that, flying through the canyon.
Un peu plus loin. J'aime qu'on pense à moi même si on se voit pas. À droite, un peu plus à gauche. Moi je préfère ne compter sur personne. Plus d'argent pour vous, un peu moins pour eux. Et moi alors, quand est-ce qu'on m'en donne? Ils me demandaient sans arrêt quel est le bon chemin à prendre.
Wow, so incredibly beautiful this road. Perfect tarmac. Hardly any traffic. So that was the Gorges de Nesque. Super beautiful. The ascension was super nice on fantastic tarmac, 3% on average, and the same goes for the descent. It was 3% maybe, yeah, for the whole time. And a few very nice outlooks on the Mont Ventoux. So now, yeah, it's 9k? 8.2k of climbing, 500 plus meters. So I think this is where the e-bike brigade has me. Oh well. Alright, let's do it. See you later. Right. All things are coming here. Don't see the sign that I can't cycle, so. Well, there's many scary things I thought I would find here on this track, but a beautifully looking public toilet is not one of them. Fantastic, brilliant. It's only a short piece of track left before I hit the main road and the large climb. But yeah, just take it easy. Well, it's definitely a hiker bike. Alright. Well, I think I missed the little waterfall that was supposed to be down there. That must have been why there were some benches and even a toilet, but it was well hidden, or it's dry, I don't know. I'll walk the rest of this uphill as well, because it's not worth it. The chance of tipping over is too much for me. Alright, see you there. Le Mont Ventoux, really no escaping the giant of the Provence here. My word, what an iconic mountain. So yeah, fantastic first 50 or so K today. So I arrived yesterday evening and today, so well, just take it easy. Although easy, the climbs were tough enough, especially the last one. 7.5% for 5-6 K, so that was a good test for the legs. Right, 10 or so more kilometers to back to Sault, and then see what we do tomorrow. Alright, see you later. Nesque. Hang glider over Sault. Right, I think that's it for now. I only have to mount up there where that paraglider is, hanging over Sault. And then that's that for today. That's a fantastic start of a week here in the Provence. I'll be making a few more videos, I hope, and well, you'll see them on the channel when they pop up. But for now, thanks for watching, enjoy your ride, stay safe out there, see you later. Au revoir, salut! Alright, here we are, back in my beautiful little apartment. Right, I'll just have a quick shower and oh, a nice drink, I think. Alright, see you later.